Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've spent the last 365 days, like literally this entire year, just scrolling and saving down all of the hottest trending items that have been flooding my TikTok and my Pinterest for this moment. I wanna make it easy for you to find the best gifts at all different price points, whether you're shopping for your mom, your sister, your bestie, or honestly, even yourself. So I narrowed it down to the top 24, which was really hard to do, but so many of these are on amazing sale right now, and they're things that I either personally have and love, or I'm gonna be buying for all the girls in my life. But real quick, just gotta say thank you to Best Buy for sponsoring this video, because one of my new favorite fitness girly gifts is from there, and I know you guys are gonna love everything. If you're ready to see all the gifts, sweat the thumbs up. That just means give it a little click and it really helps out my channel. And if you're new, drop a comment, say hi, and make sure you subscribe. And by the way, you guys, I'm gonna be giving away a bunch of the items you're gonna see in this gift guide today, and I'll tell you how to win them later, but let's get into the first one. I don't know how many times you guys have asked me to do a makeup tutorial, and I've tried to share a little, but it's just not my thing. But I wanted to show you my favorite eyeshadows are on crazy sale right now. These ones went viral, this one Starlight pack, and you get 4 different ones. They're all kind of the neutrals and pinks, which I love and wear basically every single day. And this is normally like $200, but it's $54 for the 4-pack. And what I like about it is you can actually break this up and gift these to 4 different people, stuff them in stockings, keep one for yourself, but you don't have to give the whole thing, and that makes the value even better. This next one, run. Like, go and run and get it. If I would have known about it sooner, I would have saved literally $500. So it's the Wavy Talk. You've probably seen it. It's been all over social media like crazy. Wavy Talk 5-in-1. I did my hair with it today, and I feel like it looks just as good as when I use my $600 blowout system. It's 35 bucks, you guys. It's only $35. You get all the different tools in there. So this is perfect for someone who likes doing their hair and stuff, but it's actually even better for someone like me who does not like doing their hair, doesn't really know how to do your hair. Like, I can't do a round brush blowout. Nope. This makes it so easy. Every girl needs a solid pair of chunky white sneakers. These are the Nike 7900s. They're so cute, super comfortable. I don't work out in these. You probably could, but honestly for me, they're just like a fashion shoe. They go with literally every outfit, and they sell out really fast. So go and grab them. They're just a classic white kind of like dad sneaker without being overly chunky. I feel like they're like the perfect size. I'm always trying out different smartwatches and trackers for my workouts and my sleep. So I recently got the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 aluminum smartwatch. This thing is really sleek. I love it. It has a nice big screen. It's easy to see. All of the wristbands are easy to switch out with one click, so they kind of go with whatever you're wearing. You can take your calls and texts and get your calendar right there. So even when you're on the go, it just makes it simple to have kind of everything in one place, which I have really been liking about it. It also has really good sleep tracking, and what I like is you can actually kind of schedule your bedtimes. It has a really cool system to be able to do that and track, and it just makes it easy to stay on top of like every part of your lifestyle. One of the things that I like paying attention to on this smartwatch that I haven't really seen on others is it has personalized target heart rate zones. So you can actually really clearly see where your heart rate is in your different workouts, which not only is good like if you're trying to hit certain goals, if you're wanting to do a HIIT workout, to be able to understand you're actually in that right heart rate zone to get the max out of your HIIT workouts. But it also is nice when you're sitting at your desk. Like, I've noticed I'll check it sometimes when I'm feeling a little bit anxious, and it helps remind me to like slow down, breathe, and really calm my body. I got this one at Best Buy. It's great too because it connects to so many different apps, so it really allows you to just, again, have everything like easily accessible. I know sometimes getting someone something like a watch can feel really personal, but what's great is that you can switch out those wristbands, so you have different colors. You can really make it your own, and no one's gonna be mad about getting an incredible tracker like this one. So I'll put the link down below for you guys. You can get it at Best Buy. Again, they have super fast delivery options. You can pick up in store, and it just makes it really easy for you to unlock your day's full potential and be able to monitor everything right on your wrist. Back to some more beauty. This is the Hyaluronic Essentials body set from Kapari. I love Kapari so much. You get this cute little bag, and then you also get the Restore Body Butter. I slather this on myself. I go through it way too fast. You get the oil. It is so incredible. It just makes your skin like glow, but it's not greasy feeling. It absorbs nicely. It is one of my favorite things to put on, especially for like a date night or something. You just feel real cute. All right, I put it up on screen, but you guys have seen my Nespresso machine. This has saved my life over the last year. I know that sounds dramatic, but I love my coffee. I used to love my French press routine, but it just takes too much time. And I like that I can get the decaf like in half calf pods to put right in there. It is just an incredible gift if you have someone who you know loves coffee. This one has lasted. It's such a solid machine. I absolutely love it. So definitely try to grab that. Little Nod Pod. Okay, I found this and I like am obsessed with it. I haven't actually slept with it yet, but I already can tell I'm gonna love it. And you guys know I love like my face mask. So it's basically like a weighted blanket for your face for sleeping at night. So you can do it if you just wanna like relax, but you kind of just like put it over your face and it feels so nice. It's not heavy or anything. It doesn't have like a scent, so you don't have to worry about that. But it's just very like a luxurious way to relax or to sleep without having to put a face and getting like a face mask, you know, and getting like creases on your cheeks, which I never liked. So this is just like a nice relaxing blanket for your face. Okay, don't forget I have the giveaway. I'm gonna be giving away a ton of this stuff. I'm gonna tell you how to enter to win in just a little bit, but I have to show you some of these things coming up. Like anyone you got these for is going to just love you for the rest of their life. Like, you have to get your hands on them and they're not even very expensive. Like, it's so great. Okay, this bag, you guys. I freaking love a giant bag. It is the quilted carry-all from Free People Movement. It is so squishy. It could be a workout bag. It could be a travel bag, like a weekender. It's so nice. They come in different colors too, but I just love this red for this time of year. But like any time of year is great. And then look how much room is inside. It is huge. Like it is bigger than my body. But inside I put two more things that I want to show you guys. So these are actually very... These are my socks I've been wearing for so long, so like don't look at the bottoms of them, they're gross. But I didn't want to buy new ones because I don't need new ones right now. But Barefoot Dreams, I call them magic socks. Like they are just like those cushy, yummy, I don't even know what the material is, but they're just magical. And whether or not you just put them in someone's stocking or you throw them in with another gift, they're like $15. Every girl needs a pair of magic socks. We just do. Like they come in tons of different colors. They can be like very like neutral, like trendy, whatever, but I just love the pink, so I'm gonna keep hiding them. But yes, get someone some magic socks. All right, skincare lovers. You know I love my Miss Congeniality, and I was gonna put her in here, except that I feel like if you give someone a mood boost, they might take it personally. So you get yourself a mood boost, because we all know we could use a little one, but for a gift for someone, Natural Beauty is such a good gift, because one, it's super cute, but this will transform your skin. If you haven't tried it yet, try it for yourself. But if you have a girl in your life who either deals with acne or is just like a girlfriend who you know you always chat about skincare with and like trying to find the best lotions and potions to make your skin look glowy and dewy, start with this. This is going to change their skin. It's been clinically proven. It helps make fine lines go away. It reduces wrinkles. It increases the puffy, you know, like supple skinness, hydration, everything. Has hyaluronic acid. It is filled with incredible skincare ingredients and it tastes really good. So yes, I made it, but I made it because I struggled with skin stuff and I wanted to figure out a solution to really help from the inside out. I still use topical creams, but those are only gonna do so much. What we put in our body and how we're able to like change our cells and our skin and everything, that's where it makes the difference. So this, take it every day. Every girl's gonna absolutely freaking love this. And by the way, we're doing like crazy sale for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, so make sure you go check it out. Most of you are probably super familiar with Baze. Again, it is just like one of the trendiest brands out there, but I have to say, it's worth the hype. I love their luggage. I love all the bags they had. I used it for my hospital bag. This is their Dopp kit. So it comes in cute like pinks and greens and different colors. I just wanted the neutral, but you can see it has like good space on the inside. I love that it fully opens so you can really see what's inside. And then it also has a really nice compartment down below. So you get like a ton of space in this. I honestly never knew what a Dopp kit was until I met Ryan. Like I was like, oh, that's just a bag to put your stuff in. That's what it's called, whatever. But it's a nice one. It has a good little tag, and just the fact that it's like such a trendy brand, any girl you give this to is going to absolutely love it. I never thought I was gonna be this girl, you guys. I never thought I was gonna be her, but I'm her. I'm so her. I can't help it. I'm just a sucker for trends now. I don't know. The Stanley. You know I became a Stanley fan if you follow me on Instagram this year. It took me until this year, but I am fully bought in now. I love it. This is the Quencher. It's the 30-ounce tumbler. Like, this to me is a good size. The 40 is like so massive and I drink so much water, but it just feels like aggressively large. But this is such like the classic pretty Stanley, and I feel like now I can say Everyone needs one. Jo Malone is like an iconic perfume brand. I've never actually bought it for myself because it's so expensive, but I found a really great way to gift it. So it's a cute little like gingerbread gift wrap situation. It's only $38. So for yourself or someone else who wants that like Jo Malone experience, because think about it, like how much are you actually gonna use? Like not that much over time, but you could spend just $38 and get it instead of spending like hundreds. Oh my gosh, we're already almost like halfway through these. So I'm gonna show you the rest of them. We're gonna move through them quick, and then I'm gonna tell you how you can win them. All right, we have to start with a close-up on my face for this one. I hope everything looks good right now. Okay, you see this glow that's happening? Wait, L'Oreal Lumi Glotion. This went totally viral. It was sold out in a bunch of the different shades and colors. Crazy town, but now I think they realize like it's a winner, and so I haven't seen it sold out in a while. But if you don't have it yet, you need to get it, and anyone in your life is going to want this. It gives you just this like radiant glow that is just remarkable. And let me say, I have tried the Charlotte Tilbury, like crazy expensive versions of it, which I do like those. This actually has a better texture, and it's $12.99. Okay, while we're on the makeup train, Charlotte Tilbury, I just mentioned her, is very expensive normally. This is her Pillow Talk to go, like on the go kit. So you get push-up lashes, beauty blush wand, Pillow Talk matte revolution, lip cheat, and Pillow Talk eyeliner. So you get like everything. The Pillow Talk is my favorite. I wear it on my lips all the time. This is kind of like your lip and eye kit right here. Get this and get the Tarte thing. You're like good to go with your makeup, but there's certain things I'm willing to spend a lot of money on, and this is one of them. All right, another truth confessions of Katie this year. You guys, I didn't want to, but I fell in love with Skims this year as well. Who am I? Stanley, now Skims, like it's a thing, I don't know. But this is the Skims dress. It's the slip dress. It's like lightly lined, so it basically hugs every inch of your body, but it looks so dang good on, like so good on. You put a puffy vest over it, or like even like a baggy sweater to style it with some boots. It's so cute. So it's $78, I think, but I love it. It comes in different colors. You can wear it under something, of course, as like more of a slip, but it's intended to like be worn as a dress as well by itself. Another gift that keeps on giving, because you can give this whole Voluspa, is that how you say it? Whole little candle trio to someone, or open it up and give one to one person, one to another. Again, you get more for less. It's only $30 for this little kit, and such a great candle. 3 different scents as well. So you have that variety, and these are some of my favorite candles. All right, I don't buy much from Lululemon ever anymore, but the belt bag. It's the everywhere belt bag. Everyone and their mom literally is obsessed with this and has it. Tons of different colors. There are some different sizes. I like this size the best. This one is just kind of like the standard little like fanny pack belt bag situation. But again, you can't go wrong with it. Everyone wants it, so they will love it. This is the gift that people don't know that they need, but they need it. So it's the LSF 2-in-1 foam roller. I use mine every single day. This one's still fresh in the wrapper, but it's literally 2-in-1. So you get the outside that gets that deep tissue massage for like all of your wellness girlies, your fitness girlies, anyone in your life who you know could use like a little extra TLC. This will do the deep tissue, and then the inner roller is more soft tissue. It's a little bit lighter, so it's a good warm-up tool, but it's incredible. You really get to hit like every inch of your body, and we all should be foam rolling every day, because stretching is not gonna be as effective in and of itself. Like, we need to stretch, but you need that extra depth too. Plus it's only $34.99, and you basically get 2 foam rollers for that. And again, we have tons of workout gear, all the LSF nutrition stuff, major sales happening right now. So I'll put the links down below for all of that too. Who doesn't need a personal popcorn popper? Yep, this is one that like, I was like, why is this going so viral? Like, why are people so obsessed with it? But it's super cute, really fun. You put like whole kernels in there, put it in the microwave, and it pops fresh popcorn. So it's less calories, it's way healthier, and you are getting it like fresh, but not having to do it on the stove, which can get messy and kind of crazy. I love it. It's only $12 for this little guy, and you can have fresh popcorn that's like a personal size and portioned for you anytime you want. My love, my love. I can't live without my Loving Tan self tanner. I think self tanning is something like all girls should do. There's something about it that just makes you feel extra confident when you have a little like summer vacation glow, especially in the middle of winter. So I don't know. I don't think anyone will be offended by getting them self-tanner. It is one thing that like you could buy me all day long and I'd be so happy. This is Loving Tan one. It's organic and really clean, and you get the mitt too. So definitely like there's lots of brands out there. I've used this for 5-6 years and it's really like the only one I always come back to, even if I try anything else. All right, this item is like a big ticket item, but it's so worth it. It's a red light mask. So I've been sharing a lot about red light therapy. It is so incredible to help with skin texture, reducing like any scarring. So whether you have scars on your body, on your face, acne scars, wrinkles, I mean, it's insane. This one's TheraFace. It's like, look, it's legit, you guys. You put it on for like 10 minutes a day and it really, really does help improve your skin. So one of those things you can start really young to help over time, or at any point in life to really help improve and like avoid future damage, start doing some red light therapy. Okay, we're so close to giveaway time. We're so close. I have 2 more things to show you guys really fast. This is the puffer of the year. Like, look how cute. It has kind of like the Sherpa sheepskin stuff, some smooth, more like weatherproofing, different textures. I've been wearing this every day I can. It's still somehow been hot here, but I keep trying to wear it because it is so comfy. It's so cute. It literally goes with everything and it's really warm. So this one is from LSF. I think it's like 200 bucks. So again, like a little bit pricier, but if you're willing to splurge on yourself or someone, every girl's gonna love this. Like, you can't be mad about it. It goes with everything. This last one I love because I don't take baths very often, like once in a while, but these are Sleepwell shower steamers. So there's a lot of different brands you can find. I like these ones. They're like very clean and natural. It's chamomile, lavender, but you put the cube in the shower so that it like releases all of the scents and it feels so luxurious and like you're at a spa and yummy and relaxing. So you don't have to get in a bath to have that experience, which I feel like I used to always think like, oh, I don't really want to take a bath, but like you want that feeling. Get these, you can have it in the shower. Oh my gosh, I feel like we got through those decently fast. I tried to power through because I know it was a lot, but girls, like run, do not walk. I'll put all the links down below for you, and I wanna tell you how you can win some of these because I'm gonna be sending out and giving away a bunch of these items to you girls as my subscribers. So first, if you aren't already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. That is number 1. I'm doing giveaways every week for my subscribers as a way to say thank you for being here and showing up, because it just means so much to me to be able to do this thing I love every single day. And number 2, make sure you like the video, just hit that little thumbs up. Comment down below, tell me which one of these items was your favorite. And as a bonus entry, if you are not already signed up for my weekly newsletter, I'll put a link down below. Join my newsletter and tell me you joined in the comments, and you will get a bonus entry to win a bunch of these gifts. All right, girls, I don't know how I narrowed this down to 24 items. I mean, I did for the video, but I have a list of like 60. So I'm gonna put together a blog with some more items for you, different gift ideas at different price points. So if you need a little bit more inspo for the girls in your life, definitely go check out the blog, and I'll share in the newsletter when I post that. And also, when I pick the winner, I'm gonna drop your name in the community channel here on YouTube, so make sure you are paying attention and checking it out. I love you all so much. Don't forget, good things come to those who sweat, so I'll see you next week. Bye.